Anyway folks, welcome back to Mike's Christmas candle opening of 2023. Here we go, we've got Alf the Elf, the big-headed twat, we've got the Elf on the Shelf candle, and we've got the Royal Mint 50p openings. So we're on day number 12. We don't want it, do we? No, we want this, and we come back straight after this. Anyway folks, here we go, let's dive into number 12. Let's raid door number 12, see what it is. Number 12, da, 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 da. Where is number 12? 12, 12, 12. There it is, raid it, raid it, raid it. He's got it, it's opening it. There he goes, a round one. I think they're all round ones. Open it. Good, we got it. But we don't want this, do we? No, but we want that. Here we go, we got a gingerbread man, just for a gingerbread twats like your fucking cousins. Like last time. If you look at the Mike's Chat's Christmas candle of last year or the year before that, we had a little ginger twat elf, and that's his cousin. Now we've got a gingerbread man, just for you, alright mate? We'll whack that down, and there you go. Right, it's day number 12 of the 50p. So here we go, day number 12 of the 50p. Let's raid it, Mick. Come on, come on. Come on, it ain't hard. Come on, out, good. We got it, we got the 50 pence. So what is it? It's the year of 2020, Isle of Man. Isle of Man, Queen Elizabeth II, Isle of Man 2020. Just to see what it is, what the icon it is on today. Tink was not all bad, sometimes she was all good. So we got a Tinkerbell 50 pence. Pretty good, I ain't got that one. That's pretty good, ain't it? You deserve that. You like little girls. Anyway, it's the icon of Hans Grover. Here we go, Hans Grover, the icon diode. So we drop them down on day number 12. There we go, Mick. And what do we say to that?
Yippee-ki-yay, motherfucker.
Yes, we do. Anyway, thanks for watching. Come back next week. Come back tomorrow. Don't want to come back next week. It'll be all over. Yeah, come back tomorrow and we'll do day number 13 of the old chocolate candle. We drop old Hans Grover and we give you a slap. Cheers.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.